Hi guys, again we went on a little up, and this time I did it with my sister, mi amigo, no, mi amigo a friend, mi hermano, mi hermana, Renisha, and yeah, so we went on a restaurant up and we are here in Dun.
No girl, it's Devon's house.
Wait, I'm getting all my landmarks confused. Cut. Play again.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my sister and my good friend Renisha, and we went on a restaurant up as we have been continuing to do so, right? Alright, so today we are at Devon house, but we never come for the ice cream. We never come for the party. What we came here for is the newest restaurant on the block. Brand new. When I say brand new, I mean like
A week
old. Okay, so we came here to sample that restaurant, and it is hi. That's fine. It is Tacbar. I'm gonna put their information in the description, and you can go ahead and follow them on Instagram. So it's Tacbar on Instagram, and it's right at the front of Devon House, right at the entrance. You can't miss it. Right as you drive in, walk in, you're gonna see that sign. Okay, so you're gonna take a little look, because this video is done post us eating. You're gonna take a little look on what we had on overall experience. You're gonna see the ambiance. But I don't want to give it away. Watch the video, and then we'll come right back for the entire review. Well, hello. Today we are at Devon House, and Devon House is known for its ice cream and its bakery, but today we're here for the tacos. Well, Jamaica being a melting pot, we have a diverse group of persons living in Jamaica, and Mexicans are one of those groups. So today we are at Tacobar, and we are here to experience what the vibe is about. It's all about taco and tequila. Alright, so let's take a little glance at the ambiance. Now guys, remember, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so this is a little seating area that features a water feature. It's really just relaxing, just hearing that water beating against the rocks. Look at the decor. It's teal, it's brown, it's white, it's clean, it's different, it's a vibe, okay? There's nothing else to say than it is a vibe. Now what I noticed and I loved is that they use this wicker as the lighting fixtures. They use it as decor on the wall, and it just ties in the entire decor. It looks wonderful. Here's a little glance of the inside. This is what the inside section looks like. There's seating available on the inside, so you can either dine outside or you can dine inside. We opt to dine outside. But one thing that I did notice, and I have to put it in, is that in between guests, somebody go ahead and sanitize the table. So people none of that. We love that. Table and chairs sanitize. Alright, so now it's time for my friend and I to have a little drink, and cheers to good life, health, happiness, health, and a lot of blessings in our future. Okay. Point to note, ladies and gentlemen, is that you need to make a reservation before coming to this restaurant. We had to stand at the bistro for about 40 minutes before we could be seated, because the place is ram-stacked. Anyways, this is what we came here for, honey, the food. Let's get down into it. So the tacos arrive. We ordered 3 each, and I think we did take a variety. We wanted the oxtail taco, wanted to try that one, but because of how thick this crowd was, we were not able to get it because it finished. I mean, a lot of persons came. Now guys, look at this, the guacamole thing there on top of this beef with those vegetables. It was a vibe, believe you me, it was a vibe. So I had the chicken, I had the jerk chicken, the moho beef, and I had kalaloo and aki. We're gonna give our overall ratings at the end of the video, so just stay tuned for that. We'll also speak to one of the owners during the course of this video, so don't leave without to listen to everything here on the Morgan's Legacy. Listen, look at that drip. Oh my god, guys, this place is everything. I don't know, I do not know. Jamaica really come out when it comes to our restaurants. I mean, look at my mouth full and I go around. We're really doing a wonderful job at, you know, giving the experience of a lifetime. Alright, so we're going to take a look at bite. This is our first time actually having taco. She loved it. She enjoyed it, okay? Point to note is that if you come in a group, there are games that you can play. Here's some person playing Jenga. Friend! This is not... Wait, this is nice! Girl!
What, donut? A donut, yeah?
Yeah, he said it's a donut and the name is churro. Churro? Am I pronouncing it right? If I'm not pronouncing it right, people from Mexican or Spanish descent, please don't come at me. Wow, you're pretty down.
I've never had this before.
Take a piece.
And it's warm.
It's warm and sugary. And dip. Alright, we're gonna take a bite. Yeah, no, it looks like it's some chocolatey, don't it? Chocolatey?
Yep.
It's really sweet, but not overpowering sweet.
I was thinking maybe we get chocolate.
Last time we did expect something crunchy and chocolate. Okay, okay, churro. Go ahead. Welcome to the Morgan's Legacy, by the way.
Can I have 5 minutes here?
Is it an authentic Mexican restaurant?
Alright, so I wouldn't call us authentically Mexican. I think we're gourmet street food with a Mexican flair.
So gourmet street food with Mexican flair, I love that. Okay.
So we have all cuisines available. We dabble in everything, but we still have like a Mexican flair on most of our items.
Awesome. Awesome. How long have you been open?
We're very new, just a week old.
Just a week old.
A week old.
Okay. And I'm seeing that you're getting the support.
Yes, and we're very grateful. We could not be happier, overwhelmed really.
Yeah.
So yeah, cannot be happy with the support.
So
And
love the ambiance. I mean, look, I'm just take a picture because I'll tell my husband say we need that in our kitchen. That light fixture. Listen, the ambiance is really good. I like the vibes. I like it. I really do like it.
Thank you so much.
Yes, so I do a vlog where I travel around Jamaica and showcase different places that people should eat.
I feel so special that you came to Tacbar. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, no
I'm
problem.
So happy you guys are having fun.
Yes, so we are. Thank you for spending a little time with us.
No problem.
All right, take care. Okay, so now that you have watched the video, what do you think? Well, I may have some pictures back now. All right, so now that you have watched the video, hopefully you did watch it the entire video. So now we're at the end where we're gonna give our review. So we had the steak. What's the current name again? Moho steak taco. We got the jerk chicken taco, and I had the aki and kalaloo, and you had the
Fried chicken.
the fried chicken. All right, so we each had something a little different, so we're gonna give our overall review, and we're gonna do it as how we have normally done it. We're gonna start with location. Is it easy to find, Ren? Out of 10, what's your rating?
10.
10.
Very easy.
Very easy to find. If you know which part Devon house there, right side the front there, so it's there right there. So 2, The ambiance, what was it like for you?
God,
Out
it's
of 10?
awesome. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Listen, the place, it is set up for millennials. Why I can't call her the ring? Millennials. Right? It is actually set up for millennials. It has a little minimalistic feel where there is not a lot of clutter. There is no, it's just clean, white lines,
elegant.
very simple,
Simple,
elegant.
elegant.
Yeah, I feel very rich.
Yeah.
But not the price. Yeah, but we're gonna get there. So for ambience, we're gonna give it a 10. What we came here for is the food. So let's rate the food. Out of 10, we're gonna start with the mojo steak. How much would you give the mojo
I'll
steak?
give the mojo steak a 10.
We're gonna give it a 10. I like it too. I think it was really good. I think the feta cheese was not overpowering. There was not too much of anything. Everything was like the right consistency. When we sprinkle like a lime pan,
Yeah, man, the
like a
proportion,
lime.
it's good.
Really nice.
Really
It just give it a little pop. Jerk chicken.
Very, very good. I'll give it a 10
I think
out of
the
10.
jerk chicken, they're gonna give it 20 as a 10. But no, I love
Yeah,
jerk
man,
chicken.
it's good, it's nice.
And it was really good. I really love jerk chicken, and I think this jerk chicken, your kids can eat it. It was not
Overpowering in spice.
it was not extra spicy,
It's good.
but at the same time, it never dead in your mouth
Yeah.
either. Yeah. So that's also a 10. And then for I had the kalaloo and aki. I go say that one was a solid 7. Was a solid 7. It was a hit and a miss for me. I didn't like it. I didn't like the texture of the aki and the kalaloo. It just did too much. Maybe if it was just aki alone or kalaloo alone, I think they wanted to ensure that they are inclusive of persons who don't eat meat, and that's why I tried it, because I wanted to ensure that I can give you a feedback if you don't eat meat and you want to try this place same way, right? So they do have that option. I'm sure they have other vegetarian options, so you can come along and try that. They have tuna and fish, and also I think shrimp. Yeah, for the shrimp lovers. Fun place too. They also have oxtail, but the oxtail done pound with.
Yeah.
And I eat to come here for. What's it done pound with? You had the fried chicken as your third
the fried
option.
chicken was very good.
Fried chicken
Yeah, it
was
wasn't
very good.
dry. It was good.
It was very good.
10 out of 10 for
10
that.
out of 10 for that. And then for dessert we had the churro. I forgot to show how
I
Spanish,
don't
you know.
remember, but there's something there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we had the churro, and it came with a chocolate glaze thing. Like that was really good. It was not really sweet, and
the chocolate wasn't. It was chocolatey, but it wasn't sweet.
Yeah. It was real dark, nice dark chocolate. It was really good. I enjoyed it. So overall, it is a 10 for me.
Yes,
It's a 10 for me, guys. I'm gonna tell you that you can come to Tacbar. It's a nice little evening stroll kind of place. Like
if you don't really have enough money and you like the rich look and the rich, right here, so because we're gonna show you the price and you can judge it for yourself. Yeah.
And we're belly full. And we're gonna show you the price. Oh, we had drinks too. Well, I had the passion fruit and what did you have? Strawberry. Non-alcoholic. It was really good, and it comes in a pretty glass.
And it don't sweet.
And it never sweet.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And it tastes like real passion.
Yeah.
It never
tastes like
tastes.
real strawberry.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah. So again, guys, follow me on Instagram at dreaminggoal_dreaminggoal, and follow Tacbar. I'm gonna put their handle down here. And if you're new to the channel, ensure you like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have been here before. If you want to come, comment that too. When you stop text me one away and tell me the things them, put it in the comment section, and ensure you share the video so other people can watch and see over here nice and festive, and we can go to much more places, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely. So until next time, we're gonna say bye for now. So peace, walk good, God bless you, and like what Spanish food we just have, ciao, adios.
Ciao is Spanish. Ciao is Chinese.
You sure?
Yes.
If you are Chinese people, sorry.
Chinese. Yeah.
When I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.